Imagine a world where drones soar above vast landscapes, tirelessly monitoring endangered species and thwarting poachers. These flying guardians are revolutionizing wildlife conservation, covering more ground than traditional patrols ever could. Meanwhile, robotic bees are buzzing through flower fields, stepping in where natural pollinators are dwindling, ensuring our ecosystems thrive. And let's not forget the power of AI cameras, silently observing animal behavior, revealing migration patterns, and detecting diseases before they spread. This fusion of technology and nature is not just a dream. It's happening now, creating a sustainable future for wildlife.